Oh, it's time, it's time, it's time. Let's get to cooking. Today we're gonna go over why we choose to work with Printful, and not only we choose to work with Printful, but we highly suggest that if you're gonna go ahead and expand on any on-demand printing or an e-commerce store to start selling your customs, Printful.com is the company you want to work with. Not only are they reliable, but their customer service is on point, along with providing your consumers and you with a tracking number. So you don't have to keep up to date with making sure your consumers got the tracking number, knowing when their package is coming, and you'll also be able to know the delivery, profit margin, and set up your own profit margins. Not just that, but the fun part is being able to create your custom wear to your like without limitations. Now, a lot of people don't really understand what I'm saying when I say no limitations. When I say this, it does mean that Printful allows you to customize your wear or merchandise, accessories, whatever product you chose to run with for free. Now, they're able to integrate anything that you customize on the Printful platform to your website. Okay, so let's say that you wake up today, you have an amazing idea for a hoodie, a bucket hat, and some sweatpants. You're going to go ahead and go to Printful, and you will go to Printful, customize the wear, integrate it to your website, and immediately you're able to start making sales. All right. So the way this works is the moment a sale is kicked in, Printful and your website will notify you that you have made a sale. Your job is to go ahead and to log into Printful. If you don't have your settings set up as automatic, you will manually have to fulfill the order. So what that means is that your payment processor, your third-party payment processor, will take the complete order cost and only leave you with your profits and use the money to fulfill the order. Your profit will be left in the account. What is to pay for the order will be automatically received and paid for, so the order is kicked in and ready to start fulfilling. Once the order is fulfilled, they will provide you with a tracking number now that it has been shipped. When the consumer receives the package, not only will the package come with your branding, but you can also include a thank you note, a support note, and get actually pretty personal with your consumers. That is the important part, and I hope that you guys take note of why it's important to run with Printful. They offer us a variety of brands to work with. We have some of the great brands to work with, and to really emphasize on the idea of even having the option to work with brands is that you can actually run a collection that says Hustle Up Club featuring Champion hoodies or Adidas hoodies or a certain brand of Heritage Cotton. If you want to get some sponsoring and you want to push the line, that's another idea that you can work with. So again, on-demand printing allows you to start your brand without an initial investment. That means you throw your designs on apparel, customs, different kind of customs, throw it on your website, see what sells. You don't have losses on sizes and designs that sat out because they didn't sell, and you're able to see what's working. Now, if you see there is a t-shirt, hat, that is a #1 seller, you want to go ahead and have some in hand always. So in some of the next videos, we will go over how to order some of the sample products, as well as how to order bulk orders, because Printful hooks it up. All right, guys, stay tuned.